Hey you guys, welcome back to another Animal Jam video. And today, Today, I'm going to be doing another Animal Jam video with my friend WagicWolf. And, hi. So we are going to be switching accounts. So I'm going to get on her account and she's going to get on mine. Because we just think it's fun, and it's pretty funny. We just pretend like we're hacking each other, but we're really not. So, we got permission from each other to do this. Yeah, we had permission from each other to do this. I asked her and she asked me, and we were both okay with it. So, yeah, let's get on to it. Okay, we have switched accounts, and as you can see, we actually did. And also, you can see right here. And it's her account and everything. So we did this earlier, and her and I messed with each other's dens. So, can you switch the den that you did? I also messed with her animals. Here it is. First, she did all of this, and it looks like it's this little deer's birthday. And she did all of this over here. She put two of my masterpieces over here. I'm sorry, I'm obsessed with Pepper, guys. Okay. And she just said, it's a hot place. Yes, sure, it's a hot place. So she did all this, and now we go down into the house. And over here, you can see, she put that present there. Where am I going? Total wrong place. And so she did all this, and she also did this stuff. She's sitting on her wool. What? Okay. Okay, I was like, what are you talking about? She also did this room. Oh, I don't care. She also did this room. So, yeah. So, now we're going to go to the den I did for her. Not it. I messed around in the enchanted hollow. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it is beautiful, guys. I did amazing. So here's all this, and then why do I keep clicking that dumb masterpiece? So here's all this I put in here. And then this den is very hot. Like, totally. This is the best den ever. Because I did it. And I put all of our plaques and random stuff in here. And I put a bunch of stuff in here. And my favorite room is down here. My favorite room. Bleh. It's all crazy in here. I would add more stuff, but I think I used like all of her items. Let's see if there's any cool items in the store. Just kidding. No, but so yeah, and I will also show you what I did to her animals in a minute. I'm gonna get over here and sit on my wool. There you go. So this is one of the she changed her sheep. The sheep that I have on my look is the look I did on her sheep, but she changed it. So I put that. Here is the look. One of the looks she put on me, and here's one of the looks I made for her. So this is one of the looks I did on her. This is one of the looks she did on me. Now I'll show you this one. I put all this stuff on her because I wanted to. And then the last look she did for me, she did this look also. And the last look she did was down here. Oh, Jesus, I hate this glitch. It drives me crazy. She did the toucan, and then she also did the sloth. And then I did this fox. I did do her Arctic Fox, but she changed that one. I did do her Snow Leopard, and she didn't change it, so that's a good thing. So this is her Arctic, no, not Arctic, this is her Snow Leopard I did. And then I think she changed the other one, I'm not sure. Yeah, she changed the other one. I forgot. And yeah, she changed this one and this one, but I did those two. So yeah, you guys, hope you enjoyed this video of us being on each other's accounts. Just to remind you, we are not, this is, we had approved it with each other. So we both did this, and as you can tell, see, we are not hacking. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And go subscribe to her channel, WagicWolf. And if you are from her channel, subject, what the heck? I bet you mean subscribe. Yeah. And subscribe to her, subscribe to me, if you're new. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, which I already said. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.